Viva Venezuela, mi patria querida, que la libertó mi hermano contigo.
Okay, here we are, Sierra Maresca making Venezuelan Hallacas. So give us the steps. Step one.
Step one. It's a lot of steps. This is a family project.
Except you're doing it alone, okay?
Exactly. I'm doing it all by myself. You have to make a stew with 3 different kind of meats: pork meat, beef, and chicken. And I also put some pancetta in it. Pancetta. And all sort of condiments, including green olives and capers, which give the traditional flavor. And then this is for garnishing.
Okay, but tell me what's underneath there. What's all that?
This is a dough that we make with it's a cornmeal type of thing, and we make the dough with this color, and also gives it flavor. It's called achiote.
Achiote.
Or onoto, whichever you want to call it.
Onato.
Well, and then you use banana leaves, which you have to clean them, take the vein off, and kind of like cut them in little squares like this. And then you have to put the bowl, you flatten it out and put some of the stew on it. And then for garnishing, you put the olives, chicken, more chicken for decoration, red bell peppers, and raisins. Everything is included in this stew. However, for the garnishing, you put it on top. And then you roll it up. Don't be afraid. You're going to flatten it down. And then it's going to be all inside. Then you make like a little present. And then...
Little gifts.
Yes, little gift or present, whatever you want to call them. And wrap them a couple of times so the water doesn't get inside. Actually, you have to boil them.
Waterproof.
Kind of. And then it cooks for about 1 hour. And then I'll show you the finished product in a bit. And then you gotta twine. And then you have to make like this little, it takes a while to do
Skills.
this. Not everybody can do this like this.
Wow.
So, and then,
Really interesting.
and then, here's what you got. And this is raw.
Raw.
Dough. And then here's some raw ones, and here's some ready to eat.
Cooked.
And we can grab one. See, it's nice and steamy. If you can see the steam.
Probably not.
And then grab a plate. Then we have to cut the strings.
The end result.
This is going to be the finished product. You have to unwrap it now. This has been boiling for a whole hour.
1 hour.
The stew is already done. It's pre-made. But what needs to be cooked is the dough. And all together, this is, sorry, I'm covering the final.
Alright.
And then, this is what's inside. You try it. It's piping hot.
Wow.